Hey, how you doing, man? It's me, Chuck the Chicken. Yeah, look it over there, man. It's the bird feeder. Yes. Good stuff in here, man. Yeah. I tried to crack it open, man. Okay. Wow, that's one tough bird feeder, man. I can't crack it, man. Well, if you can't beat it, pee on it. Hey, yeah! The going gets tough. But tough. Get going, man. I'll go all over this thing. Yeah. Yeah. If I can't eat it, I pee on it. Because that's where it comes from anyway, man. That burrito last night. I don't really need this. Okay. Yes, kiddies, there's the lesson for today. If you can't beat the bird feeder, then pee on it. Okay. So long to you guys. Bye-bye.